Hey y'all, why did this have to happen to me? God, what did I do to deserve this? But anyway, y'all, it is what it is. All we can do is do what we can do for right now. Do a little bit at a time until we get it done. So right here, I'm just I went to Lowe's and got some stuff called. They recommended that I get a cleaner called 30 second 30 second cleaner. And when I tell you it's really good, it cut through all that black soot really good. Excuse me. I'm eating a piece of candy. I'm stressed out, so I'm eating a piece of candy, y'all. I need something to just make me feel good for a minute, too. But that's what I did. I cleaned out all the cabinets first in the kitchen. Then I washed all the dishes up. Like I said, I did it a little bit at a time. I did a little bit, sat down, rested, got something to drink, came back, then and I went back at it again. Because when I first walked in and saw it, I was like, what the hell am I gonna do? My first instinct was to think, oh my God, we can't stay here. Because you still can smell it, but it ain't that bad, but you still can smell it. And people have told me that it's gonna be a while before the smell actually goes completely. So what we're gonna have to do is we just been wiping the walls down, wiping the ceiling the best that we can, and we're gonna have to paint. That's all. We're just gonna have to paint. Um, I don't. I stay in the projects. They probably gonna drag their feet with it. So I probably just end up painting myself, y'all. Because I know a lot of people say don't spend your money, but I ain't got time to wait for these project people to take forever and a day to get something that can just be done within an amount of a day or two. So it's cleanup time, but yeah. So, windows out, try to get some air in here. I just got everything just screwed everywhere, y'all. But what I'm working on now is we've got all the soot off that we could get. Because like y'all said, they're gonna have to paint. Um, I did what I can do, me and my son, then I paid this other guy to come in and help me. But yeah, so it's gonna have to be painted, that's all too. Don't slam that door. It's gonna have to be painted over. And I'm just working on taking everything out the cabinets. Wiping the cabinets down. I got to wash all the plates and all the dishes over because as you see, they got smut all over. Y'all, this is a fucking process, you hear me? It can be done, but it's a process, so you can't rush it. I'm rushing it, and I'm trying to tell myself to just relax. It's okay. You ain't staying outside. Could be worse. Could be worse. Could be fucking worse. So, yeah. I gotta clean that cabinet out. I did some of it. I gotta get under there. Oh, wait a minute. So, I'm working on this cabinet now. I gotta clean all this shit out. I think I'm pretty much finished with this one. That looks alright. Oh, damn. No, I gotta finish that one too. I thought I finished it. And I'm washing, just trying to wipe the counters off. I'm just eating the elephant one at a time. Because if I get too overwhelmed, I'm going to have a damn nervous breakdown or panic attack. So, just got to take a deep breath. Do a little bit, I rest. Do a little bit, I rest. I got my little meditation music on, to kind of relax me. But yeah, that's my life now. And y'all have any ideas, anything I can use? So, let me show y'all the stuff that when I went to Lowe's, they recommended this, and it really works well. 30-second cleaner. I know it's say outdoor, but You can use it for indoor also. And when I tell you spray it, you spray it and you leave it, and that shit comes right off. Then somebody told me to get some awesome. I haven't even used that. The Lime Away, that ain't do too much, to be honest. Not with this black shit everywhere. It ain't do too much. My main focus is to get the kitchen right, so I can eat, and so me and my son can eat in the kitchen and stuff. Kitchen is to me, the kitchen main place. The kitchen and the bathroom. I got the bathroom right. I did that last night, but the bathroom just had a little black stuff on the toilet, and there was a little black stuff in the bathtub. I did that last night. So yeah, and I got the mop. I'm gonna work until about 12 tonight, and then I'm going to bed because I gotta work tomorrow. And then tomorrow when I get off, I do a little bit more. Now, the thing about it is, I stay in the projects, right? And anybody that's ever stayed in the projects know that they drag their feet doing anything. Now, that's the part that's gonna get on my nerves. Like, how long am I supposed to wait for y'all to paint? Like, to be honest, I think I'm just gonna pay somebody to do it myself. I'm impatient. I can't stay in a dirty house. I got bad mental health problems, and bad OCD. So this is driving me up a fucking wall, just to see all this shit scrolled everywhere. Yeah. But it is what the fuck it is. Oh, let me just stop looking at it. Let me just stop looking at it, y'all. So now I'm just washing dishes. I'm doing like one cabinet at a time, basically. I'll do the cabinet, and then I'll wash the cabinet out, take the dishes out, and put the dishes back. I'm just gonna do it that way. That way shit won't be everywhere. Keep me in your prayers, baby. Alright. Bye. Okay, y'all. Another cabinet down. That right there is stuff for roaches. I've been putting that down probably about a year ago. It's still up there. And I'm going to leave it up there. It's like a gel type substance. And I got it in the corner there. But other than that, it look good to me, y'all. Look under there. Look good under there. Now I'm about to put my seasoning back up. I'm just trying to make the best of what I can control. Can't control the cabinet now, but it can't be clean, right? So yeah. So I'm about to start putting stuff back up. Okay. Okay, y'all. I feel like I'm making some progress. Alright, so this is the first cabinet that I've got that I haven't finished yet, but I'm still doing it. I'm gonna show y'all how clean I got it. Ooh. Okay, this is the cabinet. Now y'all saw how it looked before with all that black smut everywhere. Even on the doors. Did the doors. I'm gonna do that little bit right there. I don't want to see nothing black. I did the doors. So I'm making some progress. When you go through stuff like this, I'm learning. Take a deep breath. Eat that elephant bite by bite. Don't try to rush and do it all in one day, because it's not going to be done. That's what I tried to do. I was like, go ahead and see, can I get it painted today? And it just happened yesterday. Yeah, so I'm just doing what I can do, which is just doing the cabinets first. Washing the dishes back up because they got black shit all over. But yeah, and as I'm doing it, I'm throwing out a bunch of shit that I don't need, and so it's like I'm doing like a summer cleaning, a spring cleaning, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, y'all. So I'll check back in a minute. Bye. Okay, y'all. It's 3 cabinets down. I put all my seasoning back up. Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is still what it's looking like. It looks better, but it still looks awful. It melted my blinds on the top right there. So, but I cleaned out all the cabinets. I cleaned out all the dishes, all the pots and pans. Got all the smut off all those. What else? I just gotta put the dishes away, but I'm done for tonight. I'm tired. They should, I don't know when they're gonna come get the stove. Hopefully it's one day next week, hopefully. And bring me another stove. But yeah, I got it looking decent until I got it looking livable until. Please talk to your kids. Please talk to your kids about cooking on the stove and taking precautions, not leaving stuff on the stove, because this could have went a whole different way.